just I'm just going to grab my paperwork. Lovely sunny day.
Yeah, it is.
I know I put it 4 till 5, but it shouldn't take too long. We'll just have a nice little chat and an interview as well, if that's all right.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so what's this here? So interviewing Katie Challinor, is that it? Challinor?
Yeah.
Sorry, it's me and pronunciation is no good. About Gig Buddies and what she thinks about it. So what type of social life did you have before Gig Buddies Cymru in North Wales?
God, one to answer this. Well, I didn't have much of a social life, to be honest, before Gig Buddies. When Gig Buddies come into my life, it was like so much better.
Right.
Because I, got to meet Rachel, and then she did all the work to try and find me a gig buddy, and then eventually I got one. Took a while, but I got one eventually, which is good.
Oh,
and now Sarah's my gig buddy, and I really enjoy going out places with her.
Oh, that's brilliant.
Yeah.
So before Gig Buddies, did you ever feel isolated and lonely before coming into Gig Buddies?
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah, it's not nice. Not a nice feeling.
No.
What was your main reason for joining Gig Buddies? What were the reasons why you joined Gig Buddies?
So I think to make a few more friends, I think.
Oh,
yeah.
Has your social life improved, and if so, how? What sort of things have you done with us, and have you enjoyed being at one or more of our socials, like the one recently?
Yeah, it's been really good, the socials and that, and I'm trying to think. Yeah, the socials have been good. It's just I've never done something really like this before. Yeah, it's been really good. Yeah, the Wrexham one was brilliant.
I enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Still fresh in my mind. Yeah, so if you're matched, obviously you've got a buddy match now. Has being matched made a difference to your life and your social life? Sort of your life
yes, being matched with Sarah has been really good.
Yeah, brilliant.
Because I've been able to go out more and stuff like that.
Yeah, it's had a good impact on you. Yeah. And what sort of things have you been up to with your buddy?
Well, we've been to town a couple of times, went shopping, and we've been to, where else have we been? Been for walks and that.
A bit of fresh air
and and meals out and that.
Oh, lovely.
It's been good.
Been good, yeah. Socialising and getting out there, and that's brilliant.
Yeah.
How often do you meet, and do you look forward to meeting with your gig buddy?
Yes, I love going to meet her, and I meet her like every 3 weeks.
Yeah, lovely.
Yeah.
You've got like a ongoing kind of regular time that you meet with her.
Yeah.
That's brilliant. That's a brilliant thing. Yeah, that's lovely. Try to think of any other questions now. I've got a list here that Rachel's put down, but I have to try and think of some others, but I can never think of others. I'm trying to think now, my brain's completely...
It's all right, just take your time.
Yeah, think of any things that I can add. What sort of things would you like to be doing in the future with Gig Buddies? What sort of things would you like us to sort of maybe do social wise, or?
I think, I'm not sure, but I do want more socials to be in Wrexham as well.
Yeah,
because like places are a bit far. Yeah.
And especially if do you drive? I don't suppose.
No, but Sarah
No,
does, but I
Sarah
can't
does.
expect her to do it
No,
all the
that's
time.
fair enough. Yeah, it's tricky.
Yeah,
For your transport, you know, if you haven't got transport or if you're limited on it.
yeah,
Yeah. So no, hopefully we'll have something.
yeah,
That way a bit
hopefully.
more, because it's obviously my first time coming to Wrexham, actually being in the town itself. So it's
Oh, it was. Did you enjoy it
it was
then?
it was a learning curve for me, knowing where things are.
Yeah,
You know, but no, it's a lovely place down there. It's therefore up there.
yeah.
Yeah, no, I'm trying to think of other questions, Katie. Now I had a load in my head, and it's sort of, yeah, how they suddenly go. It's
Yeah.
I've got anything else. Has your sort of your personal confidence kind of increased as being this part of Gig Buddies? Would you say?
I would like to say yeah, but then I would like to say no, because like it's a bit of a
It's a 50-50 sort of.
yeah.
Is it right? Has it improved if you've been using, like, I don't know, WhatsApp and that? Has it improved on that sort of digital scale, on the digital front?
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah. What else on here? Pretty much the same one. Hang on. Just ones that I printed out this morning, so I'm on track. Yeah, so built on your skills. Is there any workshops that you've taken part in with us, like online
Workshops?
Yeah.
No, I don't think so.
No.
Not that I can think of anyway. I
No.
don't think so.
Fair enough. It just it's something that I thought, oh yeah, I looked at it on there and thought, oh, maybe that'd be worth asking. But yeah. I think that's it, actually, Katie. I know it's been a quick.
Yes,
No,
fine.
thank you ever so much for taking part. You know,
You're welcome.
great.
Any help? All right.
All right.
See you soon.
Take
Bye.
care. Bye. Bye.